Now let's talk about the gears. You need to explain them. I am the learner now, and you are my teacher, and you have explained to me all these things. How would you get some knowledge out of me? Okay, what do I know about it? What question you may going to ask me?
Okay, Mr. Raja, what do you know about these gear? Do you have experience?
I have seen my dad have got a manual car, so
Right.
obviously he normally go to one and two and three.
Yes.
I decided to go for automatic
Okay.
because I am very bad in multitasking, so I don't know. So I mean, I can see it says P R, I mean
N
N D
D
and B.
B.
So can you explain to me what does that is, please?
Okay. The P is parking. When you parked, you need to be in P. When you're reversing, you need to be in R. When you're neutral, you need to be in N. When you're driving, you need to be D. And B, I don't even know what is that.
Okay, let's go through with this P R and D, and then so if I park my car, so you are still my teacher, by the way, and if I don't press a P, what will happen then?
You are not parking.
And
You're
what?
not parked. So when you're gonna be parked, you need to be in P. So it's your car is safe. It's not gonna roll.
All right, so safe.
Yeah.
Okay, and R,
Or is when you're reversing.
so reversing. Okay, so when we go to reverse, what will happen?
Your car will roll back when you will take your foot off from the brake.
Okay, anything else happen?
Uh, with R, reversing, yes, the only thing gonna happen, your car will reverse.
Anything else happen?
Anything else? Well, not in my mind. Like what else I can explain?
Coming after the role play,
Okay,
and again, this is important.
right.
You are an experienced driver. Think hard. So when you go to the reverse gear,
Light will come on. Light will come on. So other people know what your intentions, what you're doing.
how this is, you might think is not
It
important
is important.
when you're
But
gonna
obviously,
teach.
it's in our back of our head like it's a normal thing. The light is gonna. So we don't need to
The
explain it.
amount of time
Yeah.
the learners, they never get explained this on their lessons
Right.
is, and when they start doing their maneuver reversing, they will ask you, how do other people know that we're reversing, because they've
Right.
never been explained this
Right.
before.
Got it.
Yeah. So when you go to the R, yes, the car
The
reverse,
light
but
will come on.
also, so that means that is a white light or yellow light comes up,
Yes.
white light, sorry, I think, and that is an indicator
That you
to
need
other people. They
reversing
know
back.
that we're reversing. So going back into the role play, so I am your learner and you are my teacher. So you don't told me about reversing.
Right.
So then go tell me about the N.
N is neutral.
What does N neutral
So
mean?
if you are neutral and you're not holding your brake, you can roll front or back, whichever side you are
Okay,
facing.
so why do we use do we use neutral when we're driving?
No.
So why we have neutral?
So whenever your battery is dead, or you need to push your car,
Hmm.
so you need to be in neutral to do
All
that.
right. Okay. So it will help to push the car
Yes.
or tow the car.
Yes.
Right. Okay. And D.
D is for drive. So whenever you're gonna be moving forward, you need to be in D.
Right. Okay. So and that the car drive.
Yes.
Okay. Good. Right. Coming off the rope, that was pretty good. So just to let you know, because you asked me about the B, my car have got a B option there. B option is, let me explain to you, more technical minded, because when you're gonna be teaching, some clients may
Can
ask you this
ask, yeah.
question. In automatic car, does not have the engine braking like you have in the manual car.
Okay.
Agree?
Right. And I have seen some cars, automatic cars, they have a S.
That's a sports mode.
Right.
Yeah, that's nowadays is you can do it digitally. Old cars you have to do physically.
Right.
My other car I have to do physically though. The only downside the automatic car have is that when you are driving in a icy conditions, yeah, because in a manual car, what you tend to do, you stay in the first gear and you carry on in a slower gear
Right.
because the engine braking is on, so you're going slowly,
Yes.
correct? Or if you go from second to first, the car slow down for you, where the automatic car does not slow down. So if you're approaching that downhill there,
Yeah.
and if you go to the second gear, which we normally do, the car will, engine braking will kick in
Yes.
and it will slow down for you. However, in the automatic car, If you do not press the brakes early,
Yeah, it won't slow down.
it will not slow down. In fact, it will do opposite.
Right.
What it will do?
Fast.
Why? Because the gravity will kick in and it will go more faster. So you have to
Right.
use your brakes. Now that is a normal drive mode.
Right.
What does a B does for you? That every time when you're driving and you take your feet off the accelerator, it will put the engine braking for you. It will slow down for you rapidly.
So when we are in D, so when we are driving, do we need to go in B to do this or
No, we use the B only in special condition, i.e., if you're driving in a very icy conditions
Okay.
or where the roads are very slippery and you feel that you need to have extra brakes helping you, you use a B.
Right.
Normal conditions, you never use a B. You just stay on the drive because you
So
have to use
B
your
is gonna be do similar work what D does.
similar to D, but the only thing is every time when you take your feet
It's
off,
gonna be
is slowing, not necessary, but is you can feel the car is now slowing down
it's
more for
called
you.
radar brake.
I don't know what it's called, but we just call excessive braking in
Right.
there. Okay, is that clear now?
Yes.